Are you looking for some different applications on your Fire TV stick, Android device? You name it, we got it. Check this out. We're going to sideload applications onto our Amazon Fire TV stick. First thing you're going to need to do is type in and download an application called Downloader. You can download it and install it on your device. And this app will give us the ability to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick. Before we open it, we need to enable it to sideload, or some people would call it jailbreaking. Come over to the little settings icon, and under My Fire TV, if you do not have developer options listed, just click under About, and on Fire Stick, click the select button about 7 times, and then no need, you're now a developer. Double check for updates just in case, because you never know, some applications don't like an older software. Now once developer options is open, we're going to click on ADB debugging and turn it on, and then under install unknown apps, turning this setting enables you to install apps from unknown sources on your device. And we are going to allow a downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon store. Now back to the home screen, select the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon. Use the little 3-line button on your remote, move to the front. Now Downloader is at the front of our screen. We can click on Downloader. Allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. Yes, allow. Quick start guide for you. In here, under that URL search term, we're going to type in 5468335. This is a short link to the Led by the Unknown website where we can find these great applications. Quick little 5-second redirect. Once this redirect is completed, use the 3-line button again, add current page to the favorites, and we can save it. And once it's saved, anytime you come to Downloader, you can just go to the sidebar there under favorites and get yourself to the Led by the Unknown website. Now we can click down here under Downloads. This is the Downloads page where you will be able to find applications, top 10s, some extra tutorials and how-tos, all regarding your Fire Stick. Now under the movies, TV shows, and live streaming apps, we have apps like Freevee, Fossum, Pluto, Zumo. Let's try Freevee today. Once Freevee has downloaded the application, it'll start the install process. So click install in the bottom right. And once Freevee is installed, just hit the done on the bottom right there, and we can delete the APK file because we no longer need it. And you go down to your apps and games icon. FV is what we're looking for. Click on it, open it up. Freevee will take a moment to load. You can either log in or continue as a guest. And here we go, folks. Home, live, TV. We get some channels to view, movies, TV shows. Look at that, some great movies for the kids and adults. TV shows, comedy, realty, popular, drama, action, anime, British, recently added. The list just keeps going on. Peace, happy streaming. Take care.